This gravy is quick and easy. It's a last-minute lifesaver. There are only 5 main ingredients. You can add others if you like, but these are the only ones required. Buy broth with no salt added if you can. A combination of butter and flour will thicken the gravy. We are adding some dried herbs and spices we have on hand to flavor the gravy. Just use whichever dried herbs you have. Melt the butter in a pot on medium heat. Now add the flour and stir to combine. Continue stirring and cooking until the mixture turns light brown. This will take about 4 minutes. If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Add the chicken broth and whisk continuously as you pour in the broth. We added thyme, rosemary, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, and sugar. You can substitute the sugar with maple syrup if you like. Whisk together and bring to a gentle boil, whisking constantly. Check your seasoning and add more salt if needed. Don't burn your mouth. You can also add some pepper. Let it boil for about 2 minutes. To test if the gravy is ready, dip in a spoon, then run your finger along the back to check if it's as thick as you like it. Continue boiling until it reaches the thickness you want. This gravy is ready in no time at all. Transfer it to whatever dish you'll be serving it from. It's the perfect companion to whatever food you're eating it with. We hope you enjoy this quick and easy gravy. Write us a comment and let us know what you think of this gravy. If you liked our gravy video, we think you'll like this one too.